may be monitored and recorded. Speaking.
Hi, I have a 2008 Ford Escape, and the HVAC blower motor only operates on the highest speed. And in the past, it's been you have to replace the blower motor. I was wondering if you guys, or not the blower motor, the blower motor resistor. Do you guys do that?
Yep, I do that kind of work, and I'm scheduling for, let me just see when the soonest I can get. I could do it Tuesday for you.
Okay, and do you have a price on parts and labor?
Without getting it in the shop, it's really hard to, give prices for the fix without first diagnosing it.
Well, I've had this done before. This is this will be the third time I've done it on this car. Do you have? I mean, I know that's what it is. It's been done before.
Did we ever do it in the past? Or did someone else?
You haven't, no.
Okay.
I had it done at the
It's
dealership in the
really
past.
hard going to fix without first diagnosing it. The cost to diagnose would be about $60 to figure out exactly what it is.
Okay.
And then I guess we would go from there. So.
Okay, but even though I'm telling you what it's been diagnosed with in the past, and that you can't give me a price on that, the parts and labor.
I can give you a rough, it wouldn't be exact because I haven't seen the vehicle yet,
Okay.
But I can give you a rough ballpark what it would be.
Okay. Well, I can. So what I guess what I need is the price of the part, and then the hour of labor, which should be mandatory, right? Minimum hour of labor.
Your make, model of the vehicle, I guess.
2008 Ford Escape. It's a V6, four-wheel drive.
What size engine? V6, you said? 3.0?
Yeah. Yeah.
So there's a couple different model resistors.
Yeah.
Yeah,
this is the one pre-May of 2008.
So I assume it has auto temp control or it does not?
It does not.
Does it have manual AC control or power AC control?
Manual.
I see two different part numbers that would fit that description. I'm just going to go off one of them.
Okay.
So I'm not sure. Sometimes you have to evacuate and recharge the AC after you do that, depending on how the system is set up. Sometimes you don't. Sometimes you do.
Okay.
This would include not recharging the system.
Okay.
It would be about $241 to do it, but
Okay.
you would have to evac and recharge it. It'd be quite a bit more.
Okay.
And that's why it's really hard to quote the repair, because I don't have the vehicle here in front of me to see how it's set up.
Okay.
So.
Yeah. No, all right. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Thank you.
Yep. No problem. Thanks.
Yep. All right. So the blower motor resistor has to be replaced in the car, as we've been making calls to the service centers locally to find what the parts and labor will cost. I've also looked online for the parts and to do it through a service center. The $60 for just to have them take a look at it, the diagnostic, plus the labor and the part, another $241. If they're reputable service center, that $60 should be refundable or rolled back into the labor. So the top end of that really should be about $241 to have this service center do it. For me to do it, the part we found online for $15 and 10 minutes of my time, it's kind of a no-brainer, I think, and get it done ourselves and spend the 10 minutes.